You knew this was coming, right? Hello. So, I know it's been a really long time. It's been a while. I'm on a different quality here. I'm gonna take my bracelet off because I feel like it's really loud. But I just wanted to do a life update slash get ready with me, but it's gonna be quick. Like, you know those celebrities that do their Vogue videos when they're in the restroom and stuff? By the way, it's raining where I'm at, so if you hear thunder or rain, it's probably because it's gonna start pouring. Let's get started. If you see bumps in my hair, it's fine. It's totally good. If the lighting is I'm sorry about that, okay? And if you guys hear my dogs in the back, I'm sorry. They're a little wild. Do the lights just flicker or is it me? Did they flicker? I know it's been a really long time since I've done a video, okay? I'm gonna do my eyebrows with powder. I'm taking Espresso by MAC. Had a couple of my friends ask me where I've been, you know, like what's going on, what the whole tea is. So the tea is, is it really tea? So the whole thing is, I did move. I moved back home to Texas. I'm really, really excited about it. I'm really happy I made that decision. The reason why I moved is because I wanted to be closer to my family and to my friends and to my boyfriend. I really just wanted to be closer to everybody. I missed everybody a lot. My boyfriend and I just got an apartment together. We're really excited. We have our dogs here with us. I'm using a 208 brush by MAC. Where am I going? Nowhere, baby girl. Nowhere. I'm just taking some cream concealer now with a flat brush like that. It's raining right now. It is raining. I just wanted to make a little video coming back because I missed it so much. And John and I, which John is my boyfriend if none of y'all know, his name is John. John and I have been planning to get a place together since January, and we're in June and we just got our place. So it took some time where we wanted to start our life together. That's what he says. It's so cute. I do want to know what you guys want to see on my channel. I know that I've done, you know, like quite a few tutorials on like how-tos, and that's what I wanted to do when I first started even brainstorming for my YouTube channel way back when I didn't really have the guts to do it. Yeah, I wanted to create a channel where people could come and learn how to do stuff, because that's how I even got into doing makeup, was watching my favorite YouTubers show and teach. I know a lot of people are really into vlogs. I'm into vlogs too, like thrift shopping vlogs. I'm really into just like what people are doing throughout their day. Home decor vlogs. Do y'all want to see my dogs? Well, they're mine and John's dogs. My dog that I brought from Nashville is a Great Dane, and John's dog is a pit bull. I'm gonna attempt to pick Tank up. This is Tank. He is not even a year yet, and he's freaking huge. Say hi to the camera. My dog is a little bit bigger. I can't really pick him up, but I can show you him. Bubs, look at the camera. He's a Great Dane. So, okay, so now for the skin. I already moisturized and already did all that stuff. So now the YSL All Hours concealer. Put that on first. Love that. Just blend it. If it looks a little light, it probably is. And I'm gonna go on top with actual foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with Face and Body by MAC. So it says it's supposed to be 100 and something degrees here in Texas this weekend. For those of you that didn't know, I am originally from Texas. Born and raised here in South Texas. I was just ready to come home and be closer to all my family. I can literally drive 15 minutes down the road and be at my aunt's house. Makes me happy. I do want to brighten up my under eyes just a tad bit. My NC20 concealer. It's the Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC. Just to highlight. There it now. My Airspun powder. It's really dirty. She's dirty. She's been used. She's been loved. Take that powder and just pat underneath my eye. I'm gonna take my bronzing stone from YSL. This is in the color 2. Take my fan brush from MAC. And a little bit on my nose. This is contouring palette. Mix them. And then I'm gonna put it right there. Yeah. The YSL highlighter in number 1. I went through a phase in my life where I loved highlighter to just be popping, you know? I'm gonna take the Baby Doll mascara from YSL. You have no idea how much I've missed filming. I missed filming so much. Should I do nude or should I do like pop? Okay. Big Whirl by MAC and excuse me, I'm gonna go to a closer mirror. Nude Chica from the Dose of Colors and I Love Set E collection. Alright guys, that is my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I missed you so much. There has been a lot of changes going on and I am just so grateful that you guys are still wanting videos from me and posts from me on Instagram. So you will definitely be getting that. And I just thank you guys so much for all the love and the support that you guys continue to give me. It's amazing. Thank you all so much. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick video just to kind of update you on where I'm at. I'm not in Nashville anymore. I am in Texas. I hope you guys are doing amazing. And I will see you in my next video.